Mr. Parks here again. We're going to be looking at translation. So with translation, and you're asked to move a point, you're generally given something called a vector. Now a vector will look like this with a number at the top and the bottom. Now the number at the top tells you where you want to move a point, whether you want to move it to the left or to the right. So if it's a positive number, you want to move it to the right. If it's a negative number, you want to move it to the left. The bottom number here determines whether you go up or down. So if it's a positive number, we're going to move the point up. And if it's a negative number, we're going to move the point down. So I would like to translate this dot via the vector 2, 3. So I'm going to start with the top number 2. So I need to go either left or right. Well, 2 is a positive number, so I'm going to go to the right. And I'm going to go to the right 2. So it's going to be 1, 2. So I'm going to draw a dotted line. So I'm going to go from the 3 to the 5. And then I need to think about where I want to go up or down. Once again, it's a positive number, so I'm going to go up, and I'm going to go up 3. So that means I can go up here, 1, 2, 3. And my new point will now be here. So I've translated my point for a vector 2, 3. If either of these were a minus number, if it was minus at the top, I would go left, minus at the bottom, I would go down. Now, in your exams, what they're going to ask you to do is they're going to ask you to translate a shape, something, perhaps a triangle. So if I was to draw in my little triangle here, they would ask me to translate this triangle via a vector. So I'm going to change the numbers around for a different example. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put a vector of 4 and we'll go -1. Okay, so with my shapes, I'm going to take one corner at a time. So I put a dot on my corner here. Okay, same dot as before, and I'm going to translate it through my vector. So once again, the top number first, so it's a positive number, I'm going to go to the right, and I'm going to go to the right 4. So it's going to come across, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to go down 1. So it's going to move down 1 here. So that's my bottom right hand corner. Now I'm going to move the bottom left hand corner. So once again, I'm going to put a dot here. I'm going to move exactly the same way, so we go along 4. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 1. So that means my last dot's going to go here. And finally, I'm going to put a dot right at the top there. I'm going to move the final point. So once again, I'm going to move along 4. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and now I'm going to move it down 1. Just to there. So once I've done my final transformation with my dot, all I need to do is join them all together, like so, and I've transformed my shape